Yango ni girido kanda kedo kod kembe mandiko ji e tije mobalo kod neno ni ji ma manyo tije ahinya e pinje maoko okolal gi pesa gi. Director General mar Migao mar Tudruok e pinje maoko Jambetre Isaya Kabira wacho ni migao mare mar tich ng'iyo mondo mi mana riwruoge mopuodhi ema ota tijego. Koloso e nyasi mar tije kaunti ma Embu, okwayo joma manyo tije mondo chul omenda mana ne kembe magin go kod adiera. Nyasi no nokelo kanyakla rowere malo gana 3 kod kuonde tiegruok ahinya mag TVET ni mar thoth tije midwaro e pinje maoko gin mago mag lwedo. Ojiwo rowere mondo many lony ma kamago masani oket ne kuonde tiegruok ma odhuro mondo mi omed thuolo margi mar yudo tije mabeyo kendo machudo maber.
Any recruiter who is here is registered by the Labor Department, and in the last few years, few months actually, there has been a big effort to orient and to edit and find a way who are the rogue agents. And I know the Department for Labor has deregistered a number of so-called rogue agents, but I appeal to those who are dealing with the agents, please ensure that this agency is recognized and registered by government.
It will be pointless for you to really aspire to go to abroad and you have no good papers. Most of people have gone out without good papers for jobs outside the country, and they have been deported again. So I want to encourage them to take advantage of the colleges that are around, the TVETs that are around, so that they can get skills. And when they get skills, the opportunities are there. We have gone to several booths around, and we know the job opportunities that are there. So I want to encourage the youth, whether they have been jobless for long, it doesn't matter. In the fullness of time, things get better and beautiful.